Menya Ghana Table Tennis Association President, Chairman Mawuko Ewa, Chairman Bibia Wakode.
Minya ahaya kama pa.
Chairman, say, yeah, war 64th round for a man and a man and a so far, Chairman, and then our tournament so far.
I say yeah, expectations no. Initial stages no, they've all been met. Osha atmosphere in here very good. There were 12 tables. Level of competition ankasana eso nimpa omo bobo omo the game omo ball tennis the pa na Osha enkora na echese. There is a lot of promise and potential for Ghana, and especially our Ashanti region. Inti energy pa na we cry and afena emfitiasi ni call into the more higher levels no competition be more intense. Inti I can say no edru be a mu be de pa obi o fie bi o tie no catch us Ibrahim Sign Youth Center ha. Na agree koso na efe papa.
Chairman, my be a great Accra, Marco Volta, Maba Ashanti region. So far, sign na Ashanti region there no, Chairman Uhuno.
To begin with, Ashanti region there no in terms of omo participates, you know, here the biggest. Number 2, in terms of prize money, you know, here the biggest. Osha way you'll be winning Obenya 4,000, the biggest so far this year. And a reflecting competition, no. You believe say Otumfuo smash no. The biggest single event on the table tennis calendar going forward. That way a great beginning.
And crown as low as 7 years, 9 years. Omunyina participate. And then na mode asem crown team ntia wo hwe akra se do gina ho ni hu boys na emema ne de no akra keto no ne panyin bo. Den tina mo ye ne sa mo anya enkra to nkra na mo de ni nyina afra.
Exposure, build up confidence so pa because almost started and I shall na we who feel more almost be agrone pa. It's a mom exposure at this age, no more coswa. Omo meet your mom age mates international competitions are much easier mom.
Oh, okay. And you know, young hair ni say competitions are master T ebeto so Ashanti region, Greater Accra, Volta, ebeto
in fact, and yes ebeto so pe. But region be Ashanti region is say new executive. Okay. Be run the game no ha. And the crowd more castle more share competition with my year around Christmas for all the different districts and the communities no. You better also region be a bene there. Nyame ye adom and no establisher na ya for your starting national league.
Okay. Chairman, Jumadi be saying mu dia ya sikasemu sponsors and who some to say obesu agu corporate Ghana so empanimfo omo brebi omo nyuma na nsambe na chairman
and they no crepa because corporate Ghana mwa etimi we say Stanbic Bank aboy empa internet mi wo ha na Total Family Health Organization omo ye boni condoms so almost share an aspect of the game here wellness sini be say ahwe hu su yi a yenyina ye would all be well. You know, intia no and ne ubekaya omone ye abedi nkomo kakra almost support say and nature no yenya 1-2 people be in different ways almost support we say here by STC for boy and kakra because almost can so omante so anke be drinse players neighbor inti sa na boy ho na intimidia competitions.
Okay. Chairman Mawuko and yetin chairman our last words to be a oti
Opemsuo for them was a pass away Opemsuo kan wan ke intimi nye o shout competition nyina said okay a partnership between Ghana Table Tennis Association and Opemsuo inti them was a pa ya sha see so you making sure say be ya toa so am table tennis intimi nya into intimi asan ko fan into my pa fra.
Chairman Mawuko ya da say